Hey everyone, I hope you're all well wherever you are and whatever you're up to. I'm Lauren and today I'm in my fabric shop and I wanted to just give you a little look around, show you what's new in the shop and show you our gorgeous window display as well. Hopefully it gives you some light relief from the crazy world that is out there right now. So let's just imagine that you're arriving into the shop and you're walking in the door and this is what it's like. So we've got everything all nice and neat and tidy and looking organised. It's always very satisfying when things are all put out. So most of the stuff that's on this table here is new. These are all jersey fabrics. So there's loads of prints, loads of different colours. Totally love it. Some stripes. Yeah, just a mixture of like t-shirt weight and sweatshirting weight. I won't go into too much detail of them in this video because I just want to kind of generally show you around. And then we've also got some new fabrics over here too, some new prints in this area. That's all of our Liberty fabrics there. And then we do still have some wools and some waxed cottons in stock as well from the winter. Around this side of the table, we've got loads of lovely stripes and then some printed jerseys, some more sort of novelty ones. This is all of our Dashwood viscoses. Then we've got some plain jerseys. These are all Modal look back ones. And then we have some linings as well and lots of interfacing. And then over on this wall here is a very, very summery. So we've got loads of gorgeous colours of linens and we've got lots of viscoses, some Sirona linen as well. A little selection here of their new stretch cotton twills, a couple of denims, more viscose prints. These trainers here, actually, these sneakers that we've got, we do actually sell the soles to make these. We usually do a workshop in it, but obviously that's not going ahead at the moment. But you can buy we have the soles from us. We don't have leather at the moment, but yeah, you can find them on the website. I can put a link to that in the description of the video. And then over here is probably my favourite part of the shop right now is our gorgeous new window display. It is just so beautiful, and especially when the sun comes in at this time of the morning, it just looks absolutely gorgeous. So it is totally full of little paper fan butterflies. You see all the strings that they're hanging down from in the ceiling. So it gives the window loads of depth, which is lovely. And it was Joe who designed the window who made all of these little butterflies. They're really, really cute. And then we reused these flower hoops here. So these are just wooden hoops, and then they've got loads of felt flowers on them attached by wire. Just turn one around so that you can see it. They're really colourful. Love these flowers. They're so intricate. So we've got quite a few of those flower loops in as well. Then the outfits that are in the window this time. So this dress here, this has been really popular. It's a deer and doe magnolia dress. And it is made up using some Liberty viscose fabric, which we do have some of in the shop as well. It's a gorgeous dress. It's a sort of mock wrap dress. I'll turn it round so that I can show you. So this is it from the front. So it sort of crosses over and wraps, but then it's got a waistband and it does have an invisible zip as well. Gorgeous sort of flouncy sleeves. And then the skirt section is quite panelled, so it's sort of full. It's just hanging really nicely just now. So yeah, gorgeous dress for this window because it's nice and flowery. And then the orangey top over there, that's a Merchant and Mills top 64 pattern. It's quite an easy one. It's got raglan sleeves. I'll see if I can turn that round as well to show you that. And it's made using a Robert Kaufman linen and cotton fabric. So that is the top from the front. It's just quite a simple plain top, and then it's got little inseam pockets at the front too. I think Joe's pinned some butterflies on it. Looks really cute. And then the final top is the Greenline Hadley top, which is using a cotton double gauze, and you can see it's got this kind of little pleat in the back here to make it sort of fuller. I'll turn it around so I can show you that as well. So it's got a dipped hem, it's higher at the front and then longer at the back, and then a nice sort of soft V neckline, but it does have a rounded neck version, that pattern as well. That is my actual top that I usually wear, but yeah, I've just loaned it to the window for the time being. So I hope you've enjoyed having a little bit of a look around, and it just sort of gives you a feel for what it might be like if you were able to come into the shop just now. The sun is just so beautiful today. I just can't even believe it. It just looks really, really lovely. And yeah, it's nice to see the shop all organised. This is where we have all of our stock, so yeah, even when you're ordering stuff online, this is where it comes from. This is where the girls are picking away all day to get your orders out to you. So thank you so much for all of your support and your orders, keeping us busy. Remember, if you've ever got any questions at all, then you can always email the shop. I'll put the email address in the description to the video. But thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then just remember to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. I do have quite a few other videos of different window displays that we've done as well, so you can always check them out if you like having a look at the different displays. But I'll see you soon. Bye!